Yes, you can buy a seasonal boat insurance policy in Arizona, but most insurers require a minimum layup period of 60 to 90 days before they'll write it. And if your boat is financed or kept at a marina, year round coverage is usually mandatory anyway, no matter what the calendar says. In this video, I will show you how seasonal boat policies actually work, when Arizona insurers allow them, and when they don't. A seasonal or layup policy suspends your liability and physical damage coverage for the months your boat sits unused, while keeping limited protection, usually fire, theft, and vandalism, active the whole time. It's not a true on-off switch. It's a coverage downgrade, not a shutdown. Point 1. Layup periods need a minimum window. Most Arizona carriers require the boat to be out of the water and unused for at least 60 consecutive days before layup coverage kicks in. A 3-month summer-only policy often doesn't qualify because Arizona boaters use lakes like Lake Pleasant and Saguaro Lake nearly year-round, not just in summer. Point 2. Monsoon season complicates things. Arizona's monsoon runs June 15th through September 30th, the exact window most people think of as boating season. That means your highest storm, wind, and flash flood risk overlaps directly with the months you'd want full coverage active, not reduced layup coverage. Point 3. Financed boats almost never qualify for seasonal policies. Lenders require continuous, full coverage insurance for the life of the loan. If your lender sees a gap or downgrade in coverage, even for 2 months, that can trigger a force-placed insurance policy, typically costing 2 to 3 times more than your own coverage. Point 4. Marina storage usually requires year-round liability. Most Arizona marinas require proof of active liability coverage, often a minimum of $300,000, as a condition of your slip agreement, regardless of whether you're actively using the boat that month. Point 5. The savings are smaller than people expect. A layup discount typically reduces premium by 15 to 25% for the suspended months, not a full pause. For a boat costing $600 a year to insure, that's roughly $45 to $75 saved, not hundreds. Here's the takeaway. A seasonal boat policy can work if you store your boat on a trailer at home, aren't financing it, and genuinely don't touch it for 60-plus days. For most Arizona boat owners using marinas or financing their purchase, year-round coverage isn't just safer, it's required. Before you assume a seasonal policy will save you money, get an actual quote comparison for both options. Go to www.iboaz.com for a quote